Hello everyone. So this is our basement. I'm thinking of doing a revamp. Still not sure what exactly at this point, but I know it will take me a few weeks. But stay tuned to see what I do with this room. So at this point, I'm done clearing up and I'll just be removing the damp surfaces from the wall. So the tools I'll be using are as follows. I'll be using an electric sander. We also need sandpaper, plastering trowel, paint scraper, and a wire brush. So I have started with scraping off the damp surfaces from the wall. This is just to prepare the walls before I start with the painting that I'll be doing in a few days to come. As I had mentioned earlier, this might take a while. Do stay tuned for updates and don't forget to click the subscribe button.